I like to describe it as kind of like home cooking. You know, when you're gone for a while and you come home, it's something that's there that you know and you can jump right into, and the quality is always guaranteed, and the content is always also very, very thoughtful. PTS's programs usually focus on a lot of Taiwanese local experiences and cultural events. They have documentaries, they have dramas, they have even variety programs that really kind of speak to the people that live here and what kind of things happen in their lives, and including their history, their day-to-day lifestyles, and all sorts of very somewhat personal but not inaccessible material. So it's a good glimpse into what life is like in Taiwan for an outside observer. I want to congratulate PTS for the amount of effort and dedication they've given to delivering heartfelt and meaningful programs for the many years that they've been in service. I also want to congratulate them and for the future promotion of PTS World Taiwan, making life here more accessible to see. As an actor and as a member of the film industry, I personally adore the Life Story series by PTS. It's where they collect, and Life Story is a particular program where they invest in independent filmmakers as well as first-time filmmakers in Taiwan to help them tell their story. I also have to admit that I'm not being completely non-biased. I've been in one, and so it'd be great to see if these programs can make their way out there and be seen by the world. I'm Wakin Chau, and congratulations to PTS. They will soon be launching a new streaming platform known as PTS World Taiwan, where they will show Taiwan to the world.